Hello everyone, welcome to SFDC Mentor Hub. Today we will learn how to use flow in field generation prompt template. So we have a one scenario, we have to summarize all open cases for an account. So for this scenario, first we have to create one custom field which will store the value of all summarized open cases for an account. Then we have to create one flow. So using that flow, we will get all the open cases for an account. Then we will create a prompt template and we will use this flow in that template. So let's move into my org. First, we will create a custom field in the account object. So we will click on new. We will select long text area. We will give all open cases. Then next, next, save. Now we have to create a flow. So actually I've already created a flow. So if you want to use a flow in the prompt template, so you have to always use template trigger prompt flow. Otherwise you cannot use a flow in prompt template. So this is my flow. Let me explain you. Let me edit this. So in the select input type, I already selected automatic input. And here you can see the prompt template type. I have selected field generation template capital, right? Because I want to use this flow in the field generation template. And then I have selected the object account because we have created a custom field in the account, right? Where we have to summarize all the open cases, right? Then we have one element, which is get element, where we are just getting all open cases for an account. So here object, we have selected case. Then we have a condition with the account ID. So we have to fetch the account ID from the template input. So we have a one global variable from template input. Okay, so let me select the account and then we have to select account ID. This is my account ID. Then we have a second field is status, which does not equal to close because we are getting all the open cases, not closed cases, correct? Then we have to select all records because the case can be multiple. Okay, and then we have a one more element which is decision. So here we have a yes or no values. So in the yes, so for example, if we get any single case record, right, then we have to first check the list if the list is not equal to null basically. So that is why I have created this condition operator is null equal to false, right? So that is why that is how we are just checking the list is not null, right? So let me close this. Once we get the value or once we have a single case record, then we have to just make the loop of the list. Inside this loop, we have to get one by one case record. And then let me show you the loop first. So here we have a collection variable where we have stored all the open cases. And here I just selected first item to last item. Then once we got all those cases and then we have to iterate one by one and then we have to send, basically we have to provide the prompt instructions using case details. So inside the case detail we have just providing the subject and the description of the case. Okay, but if we didn't find any case record, okay, that means the list of the case is null. Then we have simply just providing the prompt instruction there are no open cases. So that is why I have added here add not about no open cases. Okay, so I already activated this flow. So now we will create a template, then we will utilize this flow in that template. Let me close this and open. Okay, so here we will search the prompt builder. Okay, so let me click the new prompt template. So we will select here field generation. Here we will type. Okay, so let me provide the template name. Okay, so summarize open cases. Then we have to provide template description. So let me provide summarize open cases for an account. Here we have to use account object, then the field which we have created, custom field, all open cases, then next. Now you can see the prompt builder is opened here. So here we have to just provide the instructions. So let me just copy and paste the instructions. So this is my instructions. So here you can see you are the support representative and you need to create short summary of all open cases for account. So here we have to provide the account ID. So I'm just clicking on the plus icon. Let me select the account and the account ID. So using this ID, we will get all those cases which are associated with this account. Then we have provided the instruction summarize open cases in one paragraph, no longer than 500 character. So let me just remove this. So here we are just saying that what the cases issue and use clear and concise and straightforward language. And here we have the flow. Basically we have to provide the flow which we have created. So here we are just saying use the following information to write the summary. So using this flow we are getting all those cases, right? So that AI will just write the summary using this flow. So let me select the flow. So let me click on plus icon. We will select flow option. Then we have this flow, right? Get open cases. Yeah. So this is fine. Then we are just saying now create the summary. So let me save this. We will first preview this, our template. So I will click on preview and here I will select as force. This is my account record and again I will click on preview. So let's see. So you can see the result prompt. We have got the response and in the generated response we can see both open cases reported equity failures. So we are just getting the description of all open cases. So let me activate this and then we will apply this prompt template in the account record page. So let me move into the account record. So this is my account record. Let me edit this page so that we can add that field basically. So let me click on detail. If I go down, so let me search my field which we have created all. So this is my custom field. Let me drag and drop here. And if I click on this field, so in the right hand side you can see we have option prompt template where we can just use our prompt template. So this is my prompt template, right? Summarize open cases. So I'm just selecting this and save. Once my record page saved, let me back into the account record detail. Let me click on detail. So let me scroll down. So you can see this is my all open case field which is blank as of now, and I can see one icon here. This is my Einstein icon, AI icon. So if I click on this, my Einstein will be open and summarize all open cases for this account. So you can see the agent has been given the summary of all the open cases for me. So we can click on this use button. So automatically all those values will be populated in this field, all open cases field, correct? So using this flow, we can utilize the template basically. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thanks. Follow me for more Salesforce related videos.